Hi, I'm Dan Phillips with LDP Multimedia, and today's day 52 of our series 99 Marketing Problems and 99 Marketing Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about PR on a budget, and that budget is zero. Believe it or not, there's still plenty of things you can do to promote yourself and your business, and not on social media, for free. Things like introduce yourself to a journalist. As a former journalist myself, I can tell you we were always looking for qualified people to speak on a topic, or be a guest speaker, or submit articles to guest posting sites. There's a million of them out there and they're always looking for content. Or write an article for a local newspaper. Not only will it get your name out there, but it will establish you as an expert, which we discussed the importance of back on day 26. I can guarantee you, if you do one or more of these things, it'll help you build your business and your brand, and it won't cost you a dime. Now that's what I call PR on a budget. Have a great day.